Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you an AT&T Trimline 230, and this is Ray and Carla's equipment from Georgia, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. These were very good telephones, and you could not find the quality of this telephone by today's standards. We're going to troubleshoot the entire telephone while it's in the shop. We also know that the handset cord needs to be replaced, and there is an issue with the volume control on the handset, and it has 3 settings: low, medium, and high, and we want to take care of that issue. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool AT&T 230 Trimline telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. Now we had some issues with the volume control switch, and it's located right here on the handset. It has a normal, medium, and loud setting, and that switch was not working. It was kind of stuck on the medium or the normal setting, and when you would switch the switch back and forth to get more volume out of the unit, it was not working. So that has been repaired. We're on the normal setting right now, so we'll go ahead and give you some dial tone and we'll walk our way through the different volume levels. So there is a prominent difference in the volume setting levels. We'll go ahead and hang our handset up. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we want to walk through our numbers, so if you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, Every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out, we have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Saturday, December 21st. The current time, 5 p.m. and the temperature, 50 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We'll call one other number. We'll call my number, and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool AT&T 230 Trimline has been repaired, we can return it to Ray and Carla, and they can enjoy this telephone once again. These were very good units, and they no longer make them, and you will not find the quality of this Trimline by today's standards. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.